Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make avocado corn salad. It's very yummy, refreshing, and then uh, it's good for our body. And then uh, it's very simple. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need corn. You can use corn in a cup also, and you're gonna grill it. But I just use the one in the can. And then we need black pepper, salt, olive oil, tomatoes, onions, and then avocado. Okay, first I'm going to this I already washed all the ingredients, so I'm gonna no I'm gonna kuan the onions first before the avocado or the tomatoes. Mm. Chop the onion first, or I can use this bigger one. Mhm. Tomatoes. I love tomatoes, guys. Tomatoes. And then the onions. The onions. This one, the onions. And then next, the avocado. Mhm. The avocado, guys. Mhm. Mm. 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 More avocados. corn. I already drained. And before I forget, guys, I'm gonna mix na. So this is the avocado corn salad. I try to mix it, and then I'm gonna add lime juice. Okay, so much for now. I will add later. And then olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. And then black pepper. And then salt. We just add a little first because it might be salty. Okay, so we add the lime juice, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Okay, I try to taste. Jam already. More salt. Test it again. Mm. Mm. It's very refreshing. Okay, this is enough already. Mm. Okay, guys, so this is the avocado corn salad. The avocado, look at the avocado, is very refreshing, and the corn. So, the ingredients are corn, onions, tomatoes, avocados, salt, black pepper, and then lime juice, and then olive oil, and then black pepper. Okay, guys. It's very refreshing and it's very yummy. Look at that one. Look at that one. And now, I'm gonna taste. I put a little on my plate. In the avocado. Okay, guys, it's tasting time. Mm. Mm. It's very yummy and refreshing, guys. Mm. The corn, the avocado, tomatoes, and onions. Mm. Mm. It's good if you eat adobo, and then you can have like this. Or chips. You're gonna dip your chips like that. It. Mm, mm, it's very yummy. Mm, mm. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D underscore, bro underscore ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, and then personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.